Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you a simple trick in which you can remove a background of an image in just 5 seconds. You heard me right, just 5 seconds. So now let's start the video. Open Google Chrome and search remove BG. Click on the first website and upload an image from your gallery. Select a photo from your gallery and then click done. Now give it some seconds to load it and your image is ready without a background. Press the download button to save the image in your folders. This is a sample which I made.